Yo guys, so today we've got some slightly bad news for the Internet Computer ICP price, and I will try to give this update video as quick as I can. But the bad news right now is ICP just recently broke below a key level inside the daily time frame, and in this video we'll be talking about what we could expect for ICP in the next couple of hours or days, and also discuss the important price levels to look out for, the possible scenarios in the short term, mid-term, and long term, and much more. So you definitely would want to miss this update video I have right now for the Internet Computer ICP price. So to start off this video, we'll begin inside the daily time frame and then move on to the longer time frames later on the video. But right now, as you guys can see, breaking news for ICP. We just broke below this key level inside the daily time frame. We just broke below this trend line, which has, by the way, been acting as support multiple times in history for ICP. You can see that we bounced off of this level multiple times in the past, and it has acted as support for ICP, which is a good level for ICP essentially to expect a bounce. But right now we are having some emergency at the moment because we are breaking below this trend line, which could be very bearish, not very bearish, but slightly bearish in the short term. And it is for this particular reason that breaking below this level could mean that this is now flipped to resistance, and we could see ICP in the next couple of hours continue the move towards the downside until we touch this next support zone at around $11. So what am I expecting right now for ICP? I am expecting that in the next couple of hours, because we have broken below this trend line, which is bearish, we could now expect ICP with a high probability to move further towards the downside, towards the next support zone at $11, and hopefully find support from here. So this is my current outlook or my viewpoint for ICP in the short term. I am expecting that we could potentially move lower down the levels right here until we find support at $11, where this next major support is located at. So brace yourselves, because again, we just recently broke below this trend line, and this is now flipped to resistance. So right now we could potentially see a retest before continuing the move towards the downside and find support right here. So that's for the short term. So far, nothing is concerning me at all, because I still believe that the structure for ICP in the short term is still intact. This blue zone right here is still a critical support zone, and the structure still remains bullish because we are still holding the previous swing low right here. The only moment I would be concerned right now for the Internet Computer ICP price is once we do see ICP break below support right here, break below the support zone at around $10.5. If we break below this level and flip that to resistance, that is the time I may start to be concerned for the price, because we could potentially move down towards the next level at $8.6, where the next support is located at. So at the moment, again, like I've said, nothing is concerning me. The only time I would be concerned for ICP is if we do see ICP break below support right here and flip this to resistance. That could be bad. But at the moment, we are still holding this level, and we are still above this level. So as long as we are above this level, there is nothing that concerns me. Now let us move towards the longer weekly time frames and discuss what is my viewpoint or my expectation for the Internet Computer ICP price in the next couple of weeks or months. So as all of you may know, Bitcoin is still having a choppy price action, and many other altcoins out there, not only ICP, but we are having the entire altcoin market still crashing towards the downside. Most of us are down badly from our investments, but in my opinion, this is normal in the bull run. Dips are normal, and dips in the bull run are temporary. I believe that in the next couple of weeks, we will see that we will see the price eventually have that reversal back towards the upside and put in higher highs and smash this previous swing high. So at the moment, I just see dips such as this as buying opportunities, and I'm not getting shaken out at the moment, because this is my game plan. For you, this may be different. You may start to take profits right here, but at the moment, I am still holding tight into my altcoin positions, because I believe that in the next couple of months we could see one of the biggest runs or rallies of our life, and that is why at the moment I'm not getting shaken out. I believe that this is a buying opportunity to gear up for the next leg towards the upside. So for my targets for ICP, I am expecting $23 as the next target for the next leg up, and then after that we have $36, and then $54, and then $81. These targets are not final, by the way, so keep that in mind, and I'll be adjusting the targets respectively as the bull run continues. So right now, again, my game plan, my strategy is to just hold tight and not sell. I'm not selling my positions at the moment, especially for other high conviction altcoins, because I believe that this dip we are seeing right now is temporary. I believe that this is normal. This is normal. It's a part of the cycle. I believe that we are still beginning the bull run, and I think it's too early to sell, essentially. So that is my game plan. Your game plan may be different to mine. You may start to sell right now. I have no problem with that, but in my personal opinion, I believe that selling right here could be a bad idea, because I believe that we are still beginning the biggest bull runs of our life, and I am taking full advantage of this right now, and I'm not getting shaken out. Definitely, I believe in the crypto market. I believe that in the next couple of months, we're going to see the prices reverse, and that those who sold at this moment would regret it. That is my opinion, though. I could be wrong, but that is how I'm playing the game right now. So these are my targets for ICP. I'm expecting the next leg up for ICP, and I'm expecting the ICP could easily smash these levels right here as the bull run continues. And as long as we hold support right here, there is nothing to worry about, in my opinion. Again, as long as we're above $10.5, there is nothing that concerns me for ICP, and I believe that the structure is still intact. So I want to tell you guys that we're about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and if you're serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need that network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.